Gotta record, boy. I gotta record, nigga. It was like, why don't you record no more? Why don't you upload no more? They clean as hell, right?
Yeah.
One little ice. I should have iced them, right?
Oh, you iced them or no?
Nah, I should have.
You should have.
Look, they icy already. Like, I could have really took out the little yellow right here.
Yeah.
Should have iced them, though. Try it on, nigga.
Yo, can I get that box, please?
I'm at a meetup right now, bro. You're gonna have to wait patiently, sir.
Let me see.
Hold on, bro. I'm at a meetup.
No, let me see the video. Take me with you.
Oh, I'm just selling my UNCs.
The 11 lows?
Yeah. Oh, I'm going right now to buy some black hats, size 10. Hell yeah. Yeah.
That's your max.
No.
You got a chain?
You been hustling, bro. I know you work now.
You got a chain?
Nah.
Yeah,
On God. Wait. Damn, I don't got no 10s. I only got straight 20s, bruh. I don't got no. I'll fuck with you. The $7. Okay, I'll fuck with you. So 47? 147?
47.
I ain't gonna trip about $3, bro. Not the shit, kid.
It's fake 100.
That ass.
I'll fuck with you.
Enjoy your shoe, boy.
Go cop a pair.
Huh?
Go cop a pair.
Oh God, tell them to go cop a pair, bro.
That's how you came back, right?
Hell yeah. That ass. My customers are my priority. That ass. What's up, bro?
Hey,
Bro, watch out, nigga. You ugly as hell. What's up, bro? For sure. Is it cool if I record real quick?
Yeah, you can work.
For sure. You say you got them off a reseller, right?
Yeah.
You don't, by chance, you don't got the receipt?
No, upon meetup, he showed me the receipt and stuff.
Oh, bro.
I don't have the actual receipt for it, but he showed me.
Yeah.
It's weird that it seems common,
Yeah. Let me see that thing. Is it cool if I take the insole out real quick?
Yeah, you can take that.
Is it cool if I run it on the app real quick? Like, legit. It's like to verify they're authentic. Yeah. It only took like 5 minutes.
Yeah, you can go.
For sure. Hey, why are you selling it? You don't like it no more?
I'm moving soon, so I'm just selling a couple pair of shoes that either I don't want to lose or I want to wear or I haven't worn before.
Yeah, I feel you.
So I'm gonna sell these.
I just put them on the app real quick. They should come back in like 5 minutes. If you want, you can wait in your car, and then I'll just text you when they come back.
Okay.
For sure. I'll text you when the results come back. You can chill in your car for a bit. All right. Yeah, they came back. They came back replica, bro.
Did they tell how?
Yeah. It says because of the insoles and the stitching, the inside stitching.
So like the stitching is off or something?
Yeah, the stitching is off. Yeah, basically.
On both of the, you checked both of the insoles? Or?
Yeah. That's why I asked for more pictures, because I put both pairs on there.
You said you used it before?
You said what?
You said you used like the app before?
Yeah, I used the app before, yeah.
You got them from like a reseller?
Yeah, I bought from a reseller on Marketplace. Not on offer.
Oh, damn. You should like DM them back.
Yeah, DMers be like, you know, they're fake or something, or just haven't tried to meet up and then tell them in person that they're fake.
So it's just a song, basically.
Yeah. Yeah, you should message him, but I'll probably pass. I appreciate it though. Damn, bro. I really thought I was getting some black cats. This came back fake. Hold on, bro. Yo, what's up, bro? Is it cool I record? Is it cool if I record? I just be recording my meetups and shit. You guys there? My cash app blocked in now. The blue ones? Nah, I'm about to go sell it right now after this meetup. You wanna look at the pair real quick? Yeah, I got it. I appreciate it, bro. Sir, pulling up to sell my... Imagine I'm saying this shit and I'm not even gonna sell it. Where's Punt 20?
Right here, right here.
Oh, that's Punt 20?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
There's two of them.
What's up, bro?
There you go, man. Got it?
What's up, bro? Appreciate. Oh, is it cool if I take a picture real quick?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna just take a picture of the shoe. I don't got stress. Yeah, cause I'll be selling shoes and shit.
Tag me.
Yeah, for sure. What's your Instagram?
I got you.
No, what's your Instagram real quick?
Alright, bro.
Alright, for sure, bro. Stay safe, bro. Yes, sir. So that shit.